Welcome back to the morning show at 6:50. Time for a Chemist Corner. Jesse Miller from U of I is back. We're talking about caloric content of food today.
That's right. You know, people talk about, well, you read on a label, it says it's got so many calories. You know,
Sure.
what exactly does that mean?
Okay.
Right, So a calorie, in a simple sense, it's energy. Okay, so it's the amount of energy it takes to raise 1 degree, or 1 gram of water 1 degree Celsius.
Okay.
Okay. Now, actually, a food calorie is 1,000 times that. It's a crazy English system. It's not metric, but anyway, so what we have here is a simple apparatus. It's done a little bit more high-tech in the industry. But what we're going to do is we're going to burn some food, and we're going to look at the temperature difference on the amount of why I have 50 milliliters of water in these Coke cans.
Okay.
And so we'll start. We have Doritos, which I got out of your machine.
Okay. You only got about 2 or 3 of them. Did you get enough?
Yeah, I think so.
Those little bags have
so
like
we'll start
2
this
in there.
on fire here. And we don't want to...
Get my mug out of your way so you can work there.
And we'll get this peanut going here.
Okay.
Okay. If we can get it, the peanut's a little bit harder to get to burn, but once it burns really well. There we go. All right, so, and I don't know if we can get a close-up here on the temperatures. And you can see that it started at 25, and we're already getting up here on these temperatures. We're getting 36 on this.
Sure.
We're starting to get 30 over here. Now, which one do you think has more calories, the Doritos or the peanut?
I'll probably say the peanut.
Yeah, you're right. You're right. It's just, Rob's a smart guy.
Well, you know, I eat a lot of peanuts.
Now, you'll notice the Dorito burns a lot faster, but that's just because there's a lot of fat in Doritos.
Okay.
Okay, but the actual peanuts actually have a lot more calories in them, and that's just the energy. It has nothing to do with fat or sugar or anything
Whatever's
else like
the
that.
makeup of it.
It's how much energy is in there. Now, to kind of give that in a relate it to what you're doing every day, it takes about 25 food calories to heat up, or about 20 food calories to heat up a cup of water to boiling from room temperature.
Okay.
Okay. So a guy like you or I takes in maybe 2,000 calories a day. That's 100 cups of coffee that we could heat up to boiling with the amount of food that we take in.
Really?
It's a little over 6 gallons of water.
Wow.
Okay, and that's pretty cool. Now, these probably went out, and if we weighed this before and weighed it after, and you notice it got up to 62 degrees.
Oh, wow.
Which is quite a temperature difference. And the peanut's still going, and this, we might actually get this water up to boiling if this goes long enough. I know the segment probably doesn't go that long. But you can see there's a lot of energy in food.
Right.
Okay, and this is basically how they do it, and they're pretty accurate. We've done some of these experiments in our classes, and come up with pretty much the same as we get on the labels here.
Wow, very
This has 140, I think it is, 140 for Doritos per ounce.
170 per serving, which is
an ounce.
There you go. 29 grams or 39 pieces.
There we go.
That's what it reads on the label. All right, so when we come back in 30 minutes, we're going to talk about oxygen.
That's right. I got a little liquid oxygen. We're going to show some properties of oxygen. It'll be pretty cool.
Very good. Jesse Miller, thank you very much. We'll see you back in 30 minutes.